Active and passive transport are the biological processes that move oxygen, water, and nutrients into cells and remove waste products. Active transport requires chemical energy because it is the movement of biochemicals from areas of lower concentration to areas of higher concentration. On the other hand, passive transport moves biochemicals from areas of high concentration to low concentration, so it does not require any energy. Here we will show active transport. Some examples of active transport are endocytosis and exocytosis. As you can see here, these proteins are moving through the cell membrane using the energy, which is represented by the yellow clay. Only some proteins will be allowed to pass through the cell membrane. The purpose of active transport is to transport molecules through the cell membrane so more of the substance is inside of the cell, like a nutrient, or outside of the cell, like a waste. This disrupts the equilibrium established by diffusion since it is going from a lower concentration to a higher concentration. Here we will now show passive transport. Some examples of passive transport include diffusion and osmosis. As you can see, our molecules are moving through the cell membrane. These are transporting nutrients from a high concentration outside of the cell into the low concentration inside of the cell. Passive transport can transport anything that is able to dissolve, such as lipids, water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, whereas active transport can transport proteins, ions, large cells, and complex sugars into a cell. Passive transport maintains dynamic equilibrium of water, gases, nutrients, wastes, etc. between cells and extracellular fluid. This allows for small nutrients and gases to enter and exit the cell.